What is up, people of Extranet? Tyler here with Random Automotive. Quick video. So I'm working on this Mazda B3000, the 98 through 2000 style. Changing these headlights out for something a little bit better. And I want to show you a little tip on how to do this. This is the same thing for the Ford Ranger. They have these clips in them. And I've seen videos up and down the internet. This one's bent a little bit, but on how to remove these. Some people cut them off and just tie them on with zip ties. I want to show you the actual proper way to do this. You can see I got a clip down here I hadn't got off, and the same thing over here. So what you'll need are some right angle C-clamp hose plier or C-clamp pliers. I understand not everybody has these, but this is the right way, number one. Number two, it's worth buying a couple $1 set of pliers that you could tell these have seen better days to get these off, because it's like fighting a bear, and you want to be able to put them back on where they're correct. So essentially what you do is you put them in the two little holes of these clips. You can see it a little bit better there. And you spread the pliers open and just pull up towards you. I don't think I can do this without putting the camera down. You can see you just spread the pliers out and then pull up. So it's darn near impossible to get this on video, but I went through the circles there, the little holes, with these pliers, spread the pliers apart and just pushed up really hard. And the clip come off undamaged. And again, just on the holes and pushed up. Now, there's basically a plastic tab that holds these in now. Okay, so next you'll come up here, and there is a little, let me make sure I got it all in the frame here. There's a little tab, and squeeze that tab and just push it through. That'll get your headlight loose. Okay, so the install process is the reversal of the same. I had to do some modifications to mine. You want to make sure that your adjustment screws match your adjustment screws of your old headlights. That'll save you from having to get these all aligned and all that. I mean, it's a pretty easy process, but anyway. So you can see they're in there. We just got to return the clips. Like I said, I did have to do a little modification to these. I don't know why they would make them that wouldn't directly fit, but you can tell it looks so much better. Oh, right. Don't forget to plug your bulbs back in. Plug them in, use the little locking thing there. All right, and once you get everything buttoned up, you're good to go. Just make sure your high beams and your low beams work. You can tell that made quite a difference on this old truck. Just makes it look a whole lot newer. If this video was any help at all to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next one.